gawin talaga yung negosyo ng professional and at the same time, maging tunay na negosyante.
For you to have a lot of blessings, kailangan maging blessing ka muna sa iba.
Sobrang worth it po ito. Kahit mapagod ako araw-araw, kung magiging milyonaryo naman ako, gagawin ko siya.
Once you know your purpose, bakit mo gagawin to, then magtuloy-tuloy ka. You will succeed because of your consistency.
Pray hard and work hard. Be humble, be grateful.
If you have the heart to learn, definitely naman po lahat po ng mga deeper purpose po natin, it will come.
Ganun talaga sa success, hindi laging masaya. Pero in the end, may enjoy nyo po yung journey sa Enworld.
Pero pag gusto mo isang bagay, gagawin at gagawin mo yun.
Kukunin natin ang ating tagumpay here in Enworld. Ito yung nakikita kong game changer na nakakreate ng breakthrough sa akin.
The best opportunity in the world, N-World po yun.
Beyond money, beyond success, they see your service and by that way, you can become successful.
It's amazing to have you here. It should serve as the beginning of you being one of the best. Thank you for joining us today. To God be the glory and welcome to the era of N-World.